So here's how to download song on Suno AI. First up, let's head over to the suno.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now you can click on sign in on the top right to sign into your account or click on sign up if you don't have one. So as you can see, after signing in, we're now in the home page. From here on the left panel, click on library. This is the page where all the songs that you've generated using Suno AI will be. Now, just select the song that you want to download and click on the three dots on the right side. After that, on the bottom, you will see download. Here, you can choose between MP3, WAV, or video. But since we're on a free account, we only have the MP3 option. So let's click on MP3. After that, you will get to see a prompt like this. From here, click on Download Anyway. After that, the song will be downloaded onto your device. And that is exactly how to download a song on Suno AI.